having a quick discussion with my childrens, the big ones, and the little one too, but she's in the living room. So I asked them, do they like me being a stay-at-home mom? And what did you guys say?
Yes.
Yes. Oops, sorry, I keep hitting this thing. Okay. So I asked them, did they like me being a stay-at-home mom? And their answer was yes.
Yes.
And I asked them, did they want, like, because I used to always say that I wanted to go get, you know, like I wanted to work like a regular job. Well, I used to tell my husband that, like, maybe I should go like working or something, and he would tell me no, that this job is enough. And the kids are used to it. The kids are used to me being home. So why do you think I should stay being a stay-at-home mom? And I'll let them give you guys their answers. Starting with the son, why do you think mommy should still stay home?
Because it's easier for us. Because we would just be lost and lazy, and
He took your answer?
we wouldn't see you as much.
You wouldn't see me as much?
Yeah.
But maybe if I just worked while you guys are at school.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, Chase. What's your answer, Pumpkins?
No, don't get a job.
You're mad because he took your answer, huh?
I was gonna say that we would all be lost if we didn't have you,
Uh-huh.
and you're already doing a great job being a stay-at-home mom.
Uh-huh. What about Daddy?
He would probably be lost too, and he would miss you.
He'll be lost. When Mommy is sick and Daddy takes over, how is Daddy when he takes over when I'm sick?
He's good, but like he always needs like your reassurance.
He always needs what?
He always needs you now and then, like to ask you stuff.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So he can't do it himself.
Yeah. He needs constant like reassurance on how to do things around the house.
Oh, goodness. Does he make good lunches?
Yeah, his lunches are really good.
Uh-huh. What about breakfast?
Yeah.
What do you think, Sean? What happened if Daddy did it full time?
I
I don't think it would be as good.
You don't think it'd be as good?
Right now. He stick to his work and you stay home.
Okay, the little Pumpkins over here wants to say something. Okay, what you want to say, Pumpkin?
That you should stay at home
Uh-huh.
because Daddy already works and Daddy works at work and you work at home.
Uh-huh.
And so if you were to go to work too,
Mm-hmm.
then we wouldn't see you and we would be lazy couch potatoes.
No.
You could be a lazy couch potato. Oh, man. Say it ain't so.
It ain't so.
It ain't so. So there you have it. The children, y'all. I think they're just used to it. They're so used to it. Like, listen, I'm not going to go work, y'all. But I always like to, like, ask them, like, you know, what happens if Mommy did go get a job? And just like Kylie said, I think they would be lost, y'all. I think the house wouldn't be clean all the time. It would be a mess. So, and besides, I love this job. I love staying home with them, doing everything for them because, you know, like I've said before, once they grow up and they walk out that door, when they turn 18 and go to college and they walk out that door, You can't get that time back, you know, so I'm enjoying. Huh?
You can with me.
I know, because you're not leaving me, right? Well, I know. I'm going to have Che. I'll hopefully have the little one. You know, hopefully she'll want to stay with us. You do? But this one right here said he's going to fly the nest.
Huh?
You're gonna fly the nest?
Oh, the nest. Yeah.
See? Gonna fly the nest and stress me out, y'all, so.
Huh? Fly. The nest. Like
You
a
li-
bird.
He's gonna leave us and stress us out, so. But Che always says she's staying with Mama and Dad. What you laughing for? Because you know you're gonna stress us? Hmm?
It's laughing at Kylie.
Why you laughing, Che? Is your brother gonna stress us out? Yeah. Oh, Lord, y'all. Okay, let me get back to cleaning.